Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Steven, just getting off my chariot, the good old 109, heading to the airport, to the post office box. I know I have one package, so I thought I'd go grab that, and then jump back on the 109 over to the South bus terminal, and then jump on the 212, and then head over to IKEA. Why? No reason. Just to maybe poke around, get some ideas. Also, just not be at home right now. After almost a week inside, I just want to be out. And you think I did enough walking yesterday? I walked another 1.5 miles after all of that, because I realized after I got home I was out of cat food, so I had to walk to Target to get more cat food. Alright, so I'm heading to the post office. I'll see you wherever I end up next. Hey guys, hi. So I'm trying to compose myself. I just got a phone call from Chicago Title, which is the title company that's helping with the purchase of the house. And they fixed all the title issues. I'm sorry, the phone, my camera's shaking. They fixed all the title problems, and I get to go in tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. and sign all the papers. So I'm almost there. Almost there. Oh my God. I'm like on the phone crying. She's like, "Are you okay?" I'm like, "Yeah, you just don't know what I've been going through to get this house." So I'm almost there. I'm almost there. And while I have you here, let me see if I can film at this angle. One sec. Is this gonna work? Yeah. Oh, guys, I'm a mess. I'm so excited. I am so happy. I look at my cats. And I'm like, "Oh guys, I'm so sorry. It's gonna happen soon. It's gonna happen soon. You're gonna have room to run around and go crazy, you know." Eleanor will look up at me like, "Dad, I'm bored." And oh God. So I'm gonna sign the papers tomorrow with the title company. I don't know what the next step is from there, but it's almost done. So I'm here at the airport. I went to Wendy's. I got a little thing of chili, which is my go-to meal here at the airport. And I went to the post office box, and I got a card, which is really lovely. It made me cry, actually, because I'm so emotional. "The best gifts are beautiful people who touch our lives. At Christmas, I'm feeling especially thankful for the gift of you. Wishing you a happy holiday filled with everything merry and bright." And this is from Diane. And she says, "You're my favorite person, friend I've never met." Thank you. LOL. "Merry Christmas to you and the kids, Diane," with a big happy smiley face. Isn't that sweet? Thank you, honey. Feeling very emotional. Guys, it's almost done. Maybe my Vlogmas videos will be more interesting after once I get the house. And I got one thing in the mail I had ordered from Amazon. I did a little bit of shopping on Amazon. To everybody who's been saying, "Steven, make a wish list so we can send you things for your house." I'm like, there's nothing I need on Amazon. I bought a stud finder. That sounds like a dating tool, doesn't it? Stud finder. But I bought a stud thing for the wall so I can figure out where I can put shelves in for the cat to climb up to the top of my windows. I bought a cold brew coffee maker because I really do miss coffee. It gives me such heartburn, but I've been trying cold brew lately, and it hasn't given me as much heartburn, so I'm gonna try and make cold brew at home. One of you guys, and I wish I remembered who it was, is a barista at Starbucks, and you sent me a cold brew kit like a 1.5 years ago, 2 years ago, I forget when, yeah, I just never used it. I never used it because I was so afraid of coffee giving me heartburn. But I bought, I'm so excited, look, 50 masks, but not just masks. You know, I only wear these KN95 ones because I feel like they're more protective than those just surgical ones, just personally. But I found black ones. I'm so excited. So it's the black version of the masks I wear. They look a little small. No. So I got 50 of them. That should last me a while, right? Very excited because it just looks better with my uniform at work. All right, so I have been at the airport for a little while now, and now I think I am gonna go out to IKEA, especially now that I'm gonna be so hopeful about you know, the house and signing those papers tomorrow. So I will see you guys later on today. Did I tell you that? Oh look, wait, can you see behind me? There's a yellow plane taking off. See it? Oh, I love seeing yellow airplanes. So did I mention that taking the wrong bus is like apparently a hobby for me? I took the wrong bus in the wrong direction. I ended up behind the airport. Yeah. So I'm waiting another 20 minutes by basically a highway, waiting for the right bus. So one more example of how not having a car in Vegas is exhausting. But I found out from talking to my realtor that when I sign tomorrow, that's it. That's all I have to do. That's it. So, all right, so that makes sitting here at a bus stop a little bit more acceptable. I'll see you at IKEA maybe. All right, so this is the sofa I like. It's $800, of course, but the cats will not scratch this. If I get anything that's not leather or leather-like, the cats are gonna shred it all around. So I like this. If I did fabric, it would be this one. But I mean, the cats, I'll tell you, Eleanor, we would perch herself right there and she would just scratch at the top of that, having a blast the whole time, but it would not be good. This is the coffee table I like a lot. I think that's great. Sort of mid-century, but not really. The rounded corners, I think, would echo the arch in the living room nicely. Or I was thinking of the round version, but if you're sitting here, you can't reach across the table. And I don't think I would have chairs on both sides of the table. I don't know. But that's the coffee table I'm thinking of. All right, and this table, which I think is really cute, I think would be good in the kitchen. There's a circular, perfectly round white light fixture that hangs in the kitchen. I think this would be cute under that. I have no idea what chairs to put there, but I like the table. They really don't have a dining table that I really would like. I would like an oval or a round. They have one round table, but it's huge, monolithic, and ugly. I like these shapes as well, but not the colors or the finishes. Instead of the round table, I was also thinking of something like this with different chairs. I don't like these chairs, they're not comfortable. But it's like tall for me, because I'm fairly tall. But there's also like places down there for like pots, pans, things like that. I like it. So that maybe instead of the round table, I don't know. Kind of like this carpet. My wall color is kind of in that little flower there. I like it. Or maybe a big, giant, clean, spare rug. I don't know. I don't know. Again, I'll worry about that later. Okay, I was in there for hours and hours and hours. It's one of my favorite places to walk around and just look at things, you know. So I did decide on a sofa. I was thinking of getting something from Wayfair at one point, but I really don't want to wait for something to be delivered. And then to find it like damaged and all that stuff. So I'm just gonna get it here in IKEA. I found a coffee table that I really love. I think I filmed both of those. I thought I saw a carpet, but I'm not quite sure. It's not my first. I don't really need it desperately, but a little area rug for the living room. Struggling with a dining table, and I saw two choices I think I filmed for the kitchen. All good choices. The first two big purchases will be a refrigerator, because I don't have one that works, and a dishwasher, because I've never had one. I would love a dishwasher. So those are my first two big purchases. But I like the things I saw here at IKEA. Now, I'm looking for a bus stop because mine is in the middle of a construction site. So I'm gonna let you guys go while I search for a ride home. And I'll talk to you tomorrow. Have a great night and fly safe.